Advanced Instrumentation Monitor, AIM, can support multiple tablet presses, mixers, roller compactors, etc. with automatic equipment recognition. Before we proceed, we need to discuss the AIM file structure. In a typical graph, each line is an experimental file, and each point represents a record from that file. Now, let us create a new experiment file. Here you can change any tablet property, lubricant or other excipient level, or any other factor under investigation. You can also change the units to be used. Now let us run the press and collect some waveforms in a new raw data file. This will be our first run with compression force about 13 kilonewtons. Note the proximity switch pulse that triggers the beginning of each revolution. Now let us use the demo button to simulate force increase to about 19.5 kilonewtons and record run number 2. Note that we selected 10 seconds of recording. That is usually enough for all statistics. The maximum recording time is 6 hours. Now we will simulate another force increase, this time to about 29 kilonewtons. Before we record run number 3, let us change the display scale just to make the signal peaks visible. This step is optional. Now let us record the run number 3. This will be our third point on the compactability plot. And to accept, analyze the raw data file runs and place the analyzed data as records in the experiment file. We will use a fully automatic mode. Many manual analysis options are available. The AIM system is analyzing the 3 runs one by one, computing peak height, area, and time parameters for each peak in each channel. Now, let us say that we have collected tablets from each run and have measured the hardness. We can enter data for any parameter that was defined in experimental file header. For some parameters, up to 20 values can be recorded for each run, with the AIM system providing statistical averages and coefficient of variation. The compactability profile, hardness versus compression force, is streamlined. All you have to do is click OK. All AIM plots and reports are directly in Microsoft Excel format. Now, let us look at the reports. A short report has one line per record run, listing the run average and coefficient of variation for every data acquisition channel and every tablet parameter. An intermediate report lists all channel averages for peak height, area, dwell time, and contact time. A long report lists all channel statistics for peak height, area dwell time, and contact time for each station, as well as the average for all stations, plus all the tablet properties. An individual peaks report lists all calculated statistics for each peak in each channel. One of the neat utilities AIM has to offer is units conversion. You can convert units for practically any useful measurement, including force, weight, temperature, and particle size. Another useful utility is a calculator for volume and density for out-of-die tablets for various tooling sizes and shapes. Our star attraction is the dwell time calculator that helps you to compare the linear speeds of different tablet presses. Full-featured AIM system is interfaced with a powerful third-party software package for experimental design. All your experimental data is seamlessly transferred to Statistica spreadsheets that enables you to set up and analyze practically every possible design. The AIM system provides a couple of tutorials based on published papers. Step-by-step instructions allow you to reproduce published results. Last but not least, MCC provides a first-rate long-distance customer support via modem or internet.